How do I get a list of all the duplicate items using pandas in Python? I have a list of items that likely has some export issues. I would like to get a list of the duplicate items so I can manually compare them. When I try to use pandas duplicated method, it only returns the first duplicate. Is there a way to get all of the duplicates and not just the first one? A small subsection of my dataset looks like this. My code looks like this currently. There area a couple duplicate items. But, when I use the above code, I only get the first item. In the API reference, I see how I can get the last item, but I would like to have all of them so I can visually inspect them to see why I am getting the discrepancy. So, in this example I would like to get all three A036 entries and both 11,795 entries and any other duplicated entries, instead of the just first one. Any help is most appreciated.
Method number 1, print all rows where the ID is one of the IDs and duplicated. But I couldn't think of a nice way to prevent repeating it so many times. I prefer method number 2, group B on the ID.
With pandas version 0.17, you can set keep equals false in the duplicated function to get all the duplicate items.
It'll return all duplicated rows back to you, according to documentation. Keep first, last, false, default first, mark duplicates as true except for the first occurrence. Last, mark duplicates as true except for the last occurrence. False, mark all duplicates as true.
As I am unable to comment, hence posting as a separate answer. To find duplicates on the basis of more than one column, mention every column name as below, and it will return you all the duplicated rows set. Alternatively,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.